Welcome to this episode of Basic Automotive Skills. This is a Vernier Caliper, more specifically, an analog Vernier Caliper, the most annoying kind. This particular set can take three types of measurements: thickness and outside diameter with the front calipers, inside diameter with the rear calipers, check that out, and depth using this depth gauge from the bottom. What makes this analog is this dial, and, as you can see, the scale is in 1/1000th of an inch. But what does that mean? Well, every 10 revolutions of the dial is equal to 1 inch. Let's take a closer look. I'm going to set the caliper to 1 inch exactly. That's 1 inch and 0/1000ths. And as I rotate, 1/1000ths, 2/1000ths, 3/1000ths, and so on. Some people are intimidated by the dial, but it's actually quite easy. Let's take a real-world measurement. Here we have a feeler gauge that reads 8/1000ths. Let's use the vernier calipers to verify the thickness. Place the feeler gauge in between the front calipers, and let's take a look. 8/1000ths of an inch exactly. Pretty cool. And this is a real-world situation. It's always good to verify that your feeler gauges are the correct thickness, especially after lots of use. Now let's take an inside diameter measurement. I'm going to use these small calipers in the rear to take the inside diameter measurement, as shown. This is not the ideal way to take a measurement of a cylinder bore, so just keep in mind that I'm using this as a demonstration. Let's read the measurement. And that looks like 2.661 inches. You're going to want to take multiple inside diameter measurements in order to ensure something called roundness. If all the measurements are the same or within a specification, then the diameter is considered round and does not need any repair. However, if there is a large variation in diameter reading, then the bore must be machined or replaced. Let's take a depth measurement. It's important to lay the caliper base on a flat surface in order to ensure the most accurate measurement. Once the desired depth has been reached, we read the measurement the exact same way. Let's read the measurement. And it looks like our depth measurement is 3.53 inches. And that's how you use vernier calipers. Thank you.